Ma, unsa man si papa na anay uyab lain? Good morning, guys. Good morning. My husband called me last night. I think that was 12 o'clock. And I know he got home earlier than that, like 10, almost 11. But he called me 12 o'clock when he went to bed because he's feeding the dog, the cats, have something to eat. It's time to do laundry again. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna do laundry. And it's very nice outside. It's time to wash all the thing. So garbage, this one is clean, so I don't need to wash it. This is Pyrex from the wedding gift from us, and that's the cover. This is need to be cleaned, 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 cleaned. And we have more in the box over there one. So I'm just gonna do this, guys, and I will see later that I can clean up the mess and bring whatever I have to put upstairs. Oh my god, it's so boring, guys. Carry laundry upstairs. I'm having lunch, guys. And I'm having delis and rice and water. Oh my god, I turned the air conditioning in here, guys, because it smells like baklang klang in here. Because after cooking the delis thing, it smells like baklang klang. No joke. You smell it? Back to work. Back to work. It's very hot, but the wind is very nice. Hold on, guys. Hi guys, I'm here. I've been here for an hour, guys, but I don't want to get up yet. And right now the water is really hot because the first water, it was really like not really that hot, and it get cold so fast. So that's what happened, guys. Like, I changed the water. Bye guys, I will see you later. I will see you when I get out here. Bye bye. It's time to make the denden. It's time to cook the shrimp. I got churros again, guys. Look, I got churros using the Pyrex because I need to bake that. That's big. Oh god. Every time I go to Trader Joe's, I find a lot of, like stuff that I want to try. It looks good, and then it ends up one of my favorite, add into my favorite list. And yeah, it's like in Trader Joe's, they have a lot of good stuff over there. I'm gonna end today's vlog, guys. I am watching a without a trace. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. Oh my god, it is 8 o'clock already. I don't have my pants on, so and charge my laptop. Yes guys, I really like this thing that, you know, I put the camera behind the flowers, behind the tree leaves. It's kuhaan ninyo tong kuan birth certificate ni Papa. NSO? Di kuhaan ni ana ninyo kuan ingas Papa ma adtuan ninyo. Unya unsa may so mag-birthday si Papa na pud unsa na ikaduha na nang birthday. After she called 911, she made another call. Yeah, si Inday, September 22 man. I don't know. I couldn't hear what she was saying. Idunga na lang na. Ilang imbitahon? Na, kibali kuan, sip-sip. Pasip-sip aron makatrabaho na unsa. Unsa man ang inyong dako-dako diha? Tag-asa man inyong dako-dako. Anya unsa may plano ni Papa sa iyang birthday? Magkuan ra gud mo diha o magluto og daghang munggos kay motubo man na. Kuan pod isda og kinilaw. Nya asa man sila karon? Sila Inday. Nya si Papa natulog na. Bitaw may paying na si Papa man anak siya kita. Unsa man sige kog tawag nimo di man ka motubag? Da garog ganina ra ko bag-o pa ko nagsig tawag. Da kapoy nimo di na lagi motubag lagi basta human nagpadala. Oh no. Nya wala kay nagpost og picture. Puro lang imo dagway. Puol. Puol kayo kay lata ka ng murag daghang tambok puol, sumol. Ano mo ka nagkuan picture nila mama magpapa? Ingna magpicture sila na unsa man ning wa kay picture na unsa. Ngano man na nanay uyab na? Ah mama be? Ma. Unsa man si Papa na anay uyab lain? Tagdugay man daw mo uli nya tag sayo mo lakaw. Sama na sundi na. Sundi. Pabantay na mama baya. Ganahan pod siya duha mo. Ihatag. Unya magpahumot na si Papa mag-drive ma unya magkuan na maligo. Wa na naanay lain. Na mama. It's been an hour talking to my family. It is crazy. It's crazy because we're having fun talking. Yeah, I'm waiting for my sister-in-law to call me because my husband says that tell her to call me because she and my nephew, my husband's nephew, that little kid, they're going somewhere today. And I don't know if she will text me. It's okay because I have a lot need to be done here anyway. So I don't know if she will call me, if she will call me. But it's okay if she's not. But, who knows? She will surprise me. And I don't have a choice. Who knows? Ha, kaning advertise sa akong YouTube. I watched my vlog just now. Haka. I was so scared. The advertisement is like the horror movie. It's like this. I don't know. I'm so nervous right now. It's like this. Oh my god, I was so nervous. Holy cow. And then I skip really fast. Skip, skip, skip. Nakakatakot naman tong mga to. Na maglagay ng mga advertisement. Nakakatakot pa. Ako lang mag-isa dito. Ay, nako. So now, this is salmon in a way. And now I'm having a hard time to take it off from... shucks. Ay, ay, ay. Okay then. Then I'm not gonna have you. My goodness. I guess this is what I'm going to have. The wild caught products being swordfish. I guess I'm going to defrost this. It's already 12:21 and I just realized I'm kind of hungry. I'm doing the stuff. Watch YouTube. If every time I sit down and do, like relax from what I've been doing, I'm going to make it. How do you call that, guys? Not tinola. It's inununan, garlic, onion. Oh, vinegar. Okay, I have a little bit of vinegar. That's really it, guys. So, and later on, I'll make this. Because after this, I'm taping. I was taping upstairs, put blow tape. And I will paint the next. Maybe tomorrow. Okay. There's the tinola. Tinola again. There's the swordfish. This is inununan. What I put here, I don't have a garlic, so I put a lot of onions. And I put lemon, vinegar, soy, and the calamansi Maggi thing I have. Put a little bit of that. And garlic and very little salt. Very little. And I add water. That's why I put salt also. So I add a little bit of water. So now, yeah, this is... And oil also, guys. I put a lot of oil. I like my inununan with a lot of oil. I am unboxing the thing that I never unboxed before. It's been a long time. This is the box that my husband doesn't want me to touch for a long time. I think I told you the story why. This is the Lennox flower vase. How pretty is that? It is very pretty. Look how pretty is that. I'm going to shout out, guys. For a long time, I haven't shout out to my subscriber. So I'm going to do a shout out. I used to do a shout out to my subscriber, like, if I have a new subscriber. So now I'm going to do a shout out. Thank you to all of you who subscribe my channel. I really, really appreciate it so much. And I hope you're watching that I do a shout out. Start now to Nilda Juanete. Okay, Nilda Juanete, Tagbina. What is this? Tagbina, that's the place that where I used to like the town. Not the town. The Tagbina is part of the Surigao City. Tagbina, Kisi, Insi, DDP. Sandra Lobres, Beth Tapping, Jermaine Riox, Chicky Rosie, Susan Havard, Anthony Stafford, King Max, Laila Nova, Clexent, Lilibeth Flores, Sil Lunor, Raymond Bradshaw, Aras Vlog, It's Shoni Boy, Carlin Joy Manlaran, Khadija Production 2, Lini Gooden, Bibi Magno, Mama Mia, Juicer 14 Junior, Nicole Edwards, Norhatha Love 788 Aman 222, Juna Amparo, Michael Barker, Princess Bridget, Imelda Villamarti, Melanie Butts, now Chore Price. Now Chore Price. Joycey1431XOXO. Madolox. Tris Life Journey. Crisel Orlanes. Lizelle Pacuan. Sarah Lee. Tina Takamiya. Susani Ratnawati. And Sabi Wabi, hi. Learning Channel. Liana Drills Life Blog. Drills. I'm sorry sis if I pronounce that Drillis Life Blog. Liana, she has a vlog, okay? Liana's Drills Life Blog. Lovely mom, huh? You've been watching my vlog and you just subscribed my channel 1 week ago. Just kidding. Maria Hedges, Remedios Servidad, Honorio Irish Brown Media, Olivia Rose, Mama Two Patis, Simply Jane, Geoffrey Rico Hermoso, Mel Tan, Pinay Ako. There is a little bug flying all over the place because of the plant. Lina Madarang, Kylie Sipol, Mel G, hi Mel G, Mile G, Lovely Heart, Burmy Blend, Catherine Worth, Madrix 30, Still Heart Still, Mary Grace Barnes, and Rimili Hiramis, Mary Chris, I know I read this Mary Grace Barnes, Mary Chris Quesada, Lynn Williams, hi Lynn Williams, Evangeline Ruizo, Yasmin Shakli, Marisa Claveria, Artithacor 88, Charmy Lagaso, Lee Mary Jean, Marlene Abigail Orensi, Mark Allen Channel, Milit Im, Beautiful Heart, Unain Pipino, Charles and Katie May, Shannon Dunahu, Angelica Placido, and JD1208, JD, Maria de Guzman, Sukadikitu, Sukila, Cole Smoothie 1, Jacinto Ampong, Chirim Kim, Corazon Medina, Bernard Su, Rus Anonyovo, Isa Bachu, Duna Spark, Athena Bertrice, Cora Jackman, Charlie Bella, Roth Higarty, and Sita Aguilar, Reggie Evenson, I don't know how you pronounce it, Reggie Wivenson, sorry, J Ganda 08, Darlene Rose Bugato, and Dalia Escabosa, Juna Uhas, and Maria Husukawa, Linlin D, Taylor Smith, Roth Higarty, there's a minute, Joy Jurilia, Nilubay, Rachel Guapa. Okay guys, thank you guys for subscribing my channel. Thank you guys so much, and I really appreciate it so very much. And I'm so kind of hot right now reading. The air conditioning is not on, and so yeah, so okay, rice is cooked, and I'm going to eat now, that later I don't have to lie down, after eating. It's not really healthy for you. It's not healthy for you when you're eating, after eating and you go to bed. I know it's not healthy. Oh my god guys, if you can, I don't know, there's a lot of mosquitoes in this window here. This window need to be cleaned. Oh god, it's flying. Okay, there's a lot of mosquito in that window, in that glass area, It's a lot. It's like just just sitting there having sex. They're having sex, guys. And then I try to video it that you guys can see how mosquito having sex, how the position, what it looks like. But I try to be I've been filming and filming. It won't focus. It won't focus, as in won't focus.
He asked me some questions.
That was that. Who hurt you?
It was the aliens.
It's okay. It was the aliens, wasn't it? I was sleeping around before I shut up. Keep talking to him, see what you can find out. And talk to the father. All right.
I see a lot, but there's a lot of bees. So hopefully. Oh God, did you see that bees? Oh, did you see that bees? Oh my goodness. Oh my God. It's kind of scary. Oh shit. And like I'm taking some stuff from them. Really, it's for the oh shit, shit. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God. Let's see, I'm gonna wash it first. Oh my God, I'm coughing really bad. I'm going upstairs. I'm gonna just do all the commotion upstairs.